Jonah here with Matrix Home Solutions, your lead designer for the Southwest Michigan market. Thanks for joining us today as I take you on this beautiful walkthrough in Byron Center, Michigan. As I sat down with the homeowners to discuss this basement space, what they were looking for was an open concept design with an entertainment wall, horseshoe design wet bar with plenty of counter space and storage. Also into this space we tied in an open gym, kids play area, as well as this full 3-piece bathroom for all their family and guests to enjoy. As we walk through this beautiful matrix basement, one of the main features of this incredible space is obviously this incredible TV entertainment wall. What we did for this space is framed it out, bumped it out about 1 foot, complete with shiplap, and then tying in with some upper cabinetry that we used as lowers, beautiful quartz countertops, and of course, 2 48-inch floating shelves on both sides of the space. So now that we walk into the wet bar space, we're going to talk about a couple of design features that really helped make this basement. So first and foremost, you'll notice the horseshoe design. One of the best features and aspects of the horseshoe design is it really does maximize the square footage for the space that you have allowed for that wet bar. So you can see a ton of counter space really for this kind of small, intimate setting that we have here. Some other design elements that we did tie in are the same lower cabinetry that we used in the entertainment and TV wall. The same quartz countertops, the same 48-inch floating shelves, with really the main difference being we did throw in a couple of puck lights into those shelves just to create a little bit of accent lighting specific for this space. And of course, the last main feature is this beautiful tile backsplash that the homeowner really wanted to tie in to some of the upstairs design elements as well. Since the homeowner didn't need any extra space for a bedroom, one thing we did want to do was create this open nook, open feel concept of a gym area to still feel part of the regular space, throw in a very large walk-in closet for some extra storage needs such as the free weights as well as a bench. Lastly, what basement would be complete without a full 3-piece bathroom? In this space, the homeowners did provide their own fixtures to again help tie in to some upstairs design elements that they currently have. One extra feature for this bathroom was creating an open cavity to the left of the shower for a future shelving area to house all their linens. And that concludes another Matrix Home Solutions basement video walkthrough. Thank you again for joining us here in beautiful Southwest Michigan. If you did like this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, here at Matrix Home Solutions, it's built for you.